Hi, and welcome to another episode of Healthy Home Cooking. Today we are going to make penne with red lentils and chard. Okay, this is a very easy recipe. Into a pot, you're going to put 4 cups of vegetable broth. I'm going to get that going while I'm pouring. And then 1 cup of red lentils. Squeeze in 3 good cloves of garlic. Good size is what I was trying to get out. Yeah, I'm putting a little bit more in. That's because my family thinks garlic should be a food group unto itself. You might have heard me say that a time or 2 or 5 before. Sorry I'm repeating myself, but sometimes old women do that. Okay. Kudos for those of you who were saying you're not old. Okay, the only other ingredient that's going to go into this right now is dried thyme leaves, and we're going to be putting 1 teaspoon of the dried thyme leaves in that. We're going to bring that to a boil and then simmer for 20 minutes. And as that is coming to a boil, I'm going to reach over from my spaghetti pot, which I have already filled with water, and we are going to bring that to a rapid boil as well. Now that the water is boiling, we are going to pour a 13-ounce box of whole wheat penne into the water. Give it a stir. Look at your box of noodles for directions as to how long to cook that particular noodle. Okay, the last ingredient that goes into the sauce is some chopped up chard. I have 9 leaves of chard that I did chop up. That's going to go into the sauce. We're going to stir it and leave it cooked down for about 5 minutes. Once the chard has simmered in the sauce for 5 minutes, drain your pasta and add that to the pot. Give it a mix, and then you're good to go. If you cannot find Swiss chard, feel free to substitute kale or spinach. Both will work equally well in this recipe. If you don't like everything all mixed together, then feel free to just plate the pasta and put the sauce on top. As I've said before, it's your house, you are eating it, so do what you want to do. Oh my, it looks great. Wonderful. Thank you for joining me today in learning to make penne with red lentils and chard. See you later.